Welcome to our channel How to Hub. In today's video, we'll guide you on how to create and stick to a fitness routine. Regular exercise not only benefits your physical health, but also improves your mental well-being. Whether you're a beginner or looking to revamp your current routine, this video will provide you with practical tips to help you establish a sustainable fitness routine. Let's get started. Step 1. Set clear fitness goals. Setting clear fitness goals is essential for creating a focused and purposeful routine. Define your objectives. Determine what you want to achieve through your fitness journey. It could be weight loss, muscle gain, increased flexibility, or improved cardiovascular endurance. Make SMART goals. Ensure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This will give you a clear direction and help you track your progress. Break down goals. Divide your long-term goals into smaller, short-term milestones. This will make them more attainable and motivate you along the way. Step 2. Choose activities you enjoy. Engaging in activities you enjoy is key to sustaining your motivation and making exercise a habit. Explore different options. Experiment with various types of exercises such as running, cycling, dancing, weightlifting, yoga, or team sports. Find activities that resonate with your interests and preferences. Mix it up. Keep your routine diverse and exciting by incorporating a combination of cardio, strength training, flexibility, and balance exercises. This will prevent boredom and target different aspects of fitness. Consider time and accessibility. Select activities that fit your schedule and are easily accessible. It could be exercising at home, joining a nearby gym, or participating in community fitness classes. Step 3. Schedule your workouts. To create consistency, it's crucial to schedule your workouts and treat them as non-negotiable appointments. Find your ideal time. Determine when you feel most energized and motivated to exercise. It could be in the morning, during lunch breaks, or in the evening. Block dedicated time. Set aside specific time slots in your calendar for your workouts. Treat them as important commitments and prioritize them accordingly. Be flexible. If unexpected events disrupt your planned workout, be flexible and find alternative time slots. Adaptability is key to maintaining a consistent routine. Step 4. Start slow and progress gradually. Building a fitness routine is a journey that requires patience and gradual progression. Begin with moderation. If you're new to exercise or returning after a break, start with manageable intensity and duration. Allow your body to adapt and avoid overexertion. Increase intensity and duration. As your fitness level improves, gradually increase the intensity, duration, or resistance of your workouts. Progression helps challenge your body and continue making gains. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body feels during and after exercise. Rest when needed, and don't push through pain or exhaustion. Proper recovery is crucial for preventing injuries and maintaining long-term consistency. Step 5. Find accountability and support. Having accountability and support can greatly enhance your motivation and help you stick to your fitness routine. Exercise with a buddy. Find a workout partner who shares similar fitness goals. Exercising together can boost motivation, provide accountability, and make workouts more enjoyable. Join fitness communities. Join local fitness groups, online communities, or social media platforms dedicated to fitness. Engage with like-minded individuals, share experiences, and seek support when needed. Consider a fitness coach or trainer. If you need additional guidance or motivation, hiring a fitness coach or personal trainer can provide personalized support and expert advice. These were the first 5 steps to help you create and stick to a fitness routine. Remember, consistency is key, and progress comes with dedication and perseverance. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Stay committed to your fitness goals. See you in the next video.